Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
I purchased the Valentine's Day decorations 4 LED marquee light-up letters, love, to add a touch of romance to my Valentine's Day decor, and I couldn't be happier. The letters are well made and lightweight but still feel sturdy enough to last multiple seasons. The LED lights emit a soft, warm glow that creates a cozy and romantic atmosphere without being overly bright or harsh. Each letter stands up easily on a flat surface like a tabletop, mantle, or shelf. It was simple to set up. Just pop in the batteries not included and switch it on. I also appreciate that it's battery operated, so there are no annoying wires to deal with. While perfect for Valentine's Day, this decoration could easily double as wedding decor, an anniversary celebration, or even year-round in a romantic-themed room. The compact size makes it easy to display without overwhelming the space. For the price, it's an excellent value. The quality of the materials, combined with the charming design, makes it worth every penny. If you're looking to elevate your Valentine's Day decor or add a touch of romance to your home, these LED marquee letters are a fantastic choice. Highly recommend for anyone who loves festive, easy-to-use decorations.
I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.